Wow. Something came in the mail. Oh yeah. This one is naughty. EW. What I love about this brand, they stamp their initials of whoever made this by hand. So I'll have to look them up online and see who made them. Alright, y'all, as you can see, ordered a Gransfors Bruk large splitting axe. This is the 5.5 pound head and the 31.5 inch handle. Comes with a sheath, the axe book, and then I bought a sharpening stone just to keep this bad boy sharp. And yeah, that's really all there is to it. Just a beautiful piece of artwork and going to be a great tool. So let's go split some wood and find out what happens. Well, let's get cracking. This thing's quick, y'all. Quick. Wow. Wow. I think the feeling right now is, you know that feeling when you buy like a really cheap tool just to get by, but then later in life, you buy a more expensive tool because it's nicer and you do the job more? That's what this is. It's like I've been cutting with that Husky for, I don't know, six years or so. And I see why this is a $200 axe. Woo. It's quick, it's light. Oh man, this is gonna change wood cutting forever. The thing I like about it so far is you don't get the vibration like the plastic handle gets. It's just so smooth. It's easy. You don't even have to swing hard on some of these. You know how to cut it. You don't have to give it the big old oomph every single time. Of course, the one right after that doesn't split. A little overstrike. Whoops. Wow, guys. Wow. I could literally swing this all day. This one is naughty. There we go. All right, y'all. I think this axe just kind of speaks for itself. This thing is quick, fast, way better than my Husky 8-pound maul. Nothing against the 8-pound maul. It's got the job done for the last 6 years, but I see why it's well worth the money to get the right tool for the right job. So can't say anything more about this besides Sweden makes a great product. So link will be down in the description below. And you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace. Well worth the money.